Hello everyone, welcome. In previous session, we discussed some problems on combinations. In this session also, we will discuss some more problems on these combinations. This is one of the important type of the problems of combinations. Before going to the problems, once we recall the formulae belongs to these problems. Those are the values of NC0 is 1 and NC1 is n, NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 and so on. The value of NCn minus 1 is n and NCn is 1. The value of NC0 is 1, NC1 is n, NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 and so on. The value of NCn minus 1 is n and NCn is 1. Since we have NCr is NCn minus r, NCr is NCn minus r, then NC0 is NCn is 1 and NC1 is equal to NCn minus 1, that is n. NC2 and NCn minus 2 both are n into n minus 1 by 2. Now let us go to problems. See the problem. Find the number of ways of form a committee of 5 members from 6 men and 3 ladies. How many committees contain at least 2 ladies? Now see the solution of this. Number of ways of form a committee of 5 members. Committee of 5 members from 6 men and 3 ladies, that is 9C5, that is 9C5. Number of ways of form a committee of 5 members from 6 men and 3 ladies is 9C5. That is same as 9C4. 9C5 is same as 9C4. Value of 9C4 is 9876 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Doing cancellation, 4 2 times get cancelled and 3 into 2 6 get cancelled. Then this value is 9 into 2 into 7, that is 18 into 7, that value is 126. So number of ways of form a committee of 5 members from 6 men and 3 ladies is 9C5. 9C5 is same as 9C4, that value is 126. But here given condition, since committee contains at least 2 ladies, since committee contains at least 2 ladies, committee contains at least 2 ladies, then there will be 2 types. One is select at least 2 ladies means we have to select 2 or more ladies. Here 3 ladies are given. Then first type is 3 men and 2 ladies. Select 3 men and 2 ladies. And the second type is select 2 2 men and 3 ladies. Then given 6 men 6 and ladies 3. Then there will be 2 types. One is 3 men and 2 ladies. Second one is 2 men and 3 ladies. Number of ways. Select 3 men out of 6 men in 6C3 ways, and means into will come. Select 2 ladies out of 3 ladies, 3C2. And the second one is select 2 men out of 6 men in 6C2 ways. Select 3 ladies out of 3 ladies in 3C3 ways. Therefore, total number of ways equal to 6C3 into 3C2 plus 6C2 into 3C3. Then these values are 6C3, that is 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1, that is 20. 3 into 3C2, that is 3 into 2 by 2, or also 3C2 is directly we can write this is 3 plus 6C2, 6 into 5 by 2, then it is 15 into 1. So it equal to 20 into 3, 60 plus 15, then this is 75. Therefore, total number of ways equal to 75. See the next problem. Find the number of ways of select a cricket team of 11 players from 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers such that there will be at least 5 bowlers in the team. At least 5 bowlers in the team. So, 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers are there. There will be at least 5 bowlers. That means we can select 5 bowlers or 6 bowlers. Therefore, the committee contains the following types. Committee contains following these types. Those are following 2 types. One is 6 batsmen and 5 bowlers. Committee contains 6 batsmen and 5 bowlers. Second one is committee contains 5 batsmen and 6 bowlers. So, serial number, batsmen 7, bowlers 6 and number of ways. There are 2 types. So, serial number 1, 2. Batsmen, 6 batsmen. Select 6 batsmen out of 7 batsmen in 7C6 ways and select 5 bowlers out of 6 bowlers in 6C5 ways. This can be done in 7C6 into 6C5 ways. And the second type is select 5 batsmen out of 7 batsmen in 7C5 ways and select 6 bowlers out of 6 bowlers in 6C6 ways. So this can be done in 7C5 into 6C6 ways. Therefore, total number of ways that is 7C6 into 6C5 plus 7C5 into 6C6. Already we know the value of NCn minus 1 is n. Then 7C6 will 7 only into 6C5. This is also 6 plus 7C5, value of 7C5, that is the same as 7C2. Then this is 7 into 6 by 2. The value is 21. So 21 into value of 6C6. So already you know value of NCn is 1. So obviously value of 6C6 is 1. Then it is 7 into 6, 42 plus 21. So this value is 63. Therefore, total number of ways, that is 6C3. At least 5 bowlers. That means select 5 or more. 5 or more means here we have 6 bowlers. That's why select 5 bowlers or 6 bowlers. So the team contains following these two types. We have to form cricket team of 11 players. Suppose we can take 6 bowlers. Then we can take 5 batsmen. Suppose we take 5 bowlers. Then batsmen will be 6 only. Therefore number of ways like this. Right? Come to the next problem. Find number of ways of form a committee of 5 members out of 6 Indians and 5 Americans, so that always Indians will be majority in the committee. Then the committee following these types. The committee follows these types. Those are here given: Indians 6, Americans 5, Americans 5. We have to check here, Indians will be majority in the committee. Suppose we can say select Indians 5, then no Americans will come. We have to form 5-member team. Then select 5 Indians out of 6 Indians in 6C5 ways. Then no Americans will come. Then it is 5C0. And select 4 Indians out of 6 Indians and 1 American out of 5 Americans. Select 3 Indians out of 6 Indians and 2 Americans out of 5 Americans. So there will be 3 cases. Form a committee of 5 members so that Indians will be majority in the committee out of 6 Indians and 5 Americans. So the committee following these types. Select 5 Indians out of 6 Indians can be done in 6C5 ways. 6C5 and into no Americans, that is 5C0. Select 4 Indians out of 6 Indians in 6C4 ways and into select 1 American out of 5 Americans in 5C1 ways. Select 3 Indians out of 6 Indians can be done 6C3 ways and into select 2 Americans out of 5 Americans can be done 5C2 ways. Therefore, total number of ways total number of ways. That is 6C5 into 5C0 plus 6C4 into 5C1 plus 6C3 into 5C2. Write the values here. Value of 6C5, already you know, NC n minus 1 is n. So value of 6C5 is 6 only, into 5C0 is 1 plus value of 6C4, that is 6 into, that is nothing but value of 6C2. 6C4 is the same as 6C2, that is 6 into 5 by 2, that value is 15. So value of 6C4 is 15 into value of 5C1 is 5 plus value of 6C3, that is 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. Then this is 3 into 2 get cancelled, then remaining value is 20. So 6C3 value is 20 into value of 5C2, that is 5 into 4 by 2, value is 10. So this equal to 6 plus 75 plus 200. By adding all these, we can get this value is 281. So number of ways of form a committee of 5 members out of 6 Indians and 5 Americans. Always Indians will be majority in the committee. Then Indians 6, Americans 5. Always Indians will be majority, form a 5-member committee. Then select Indians out of 6 Indians, that is 6C5, and no Americans, 5C0. Select 4 Indians out of 6 Indians, 6C4, and 1 American out of 5 Americans. And select 3 Indians out of 6 Indians in 6C3 ways, and 2 Americans out of 5 Americans in 5C2 ways. Therefore, total number of ways 6C5 into 5C0 plus 6C4 into 5C1 plus 6C3 into 5C2. Write all the values of this. Value of 6C5 is 6 into 5C0 is 1. Value of 6C4 is the same as 6C2, that is 15. And value of 6C3, 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1, that value is 20. So put the values. 6C4 is 15 into 5C1 is 5 plus 6C3 is 20 plus into 5C2 is 10. Then it is 6 plus 75 plus 200. Then we get it is 281. See the next problem. Find number of selecting 11-member cricket team from 7 batsmen, 6 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers with at least 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. So here given batsmen 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. Since the team contains at least 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers then we have to select at least 4 bowlers means we can take 4 or 5 or 6 in 3 ways. So there will be 3 cases. And wicket keepers, 2 wicket keepers. 2 wicket keepers. We have to form a team of 11 members. Then this is 5. Select 5 batsmen. So this can be done 7C5 into 6C4 into 2C2 ways. And here, if we select 5 bowlers out of 6 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers out of 2 wicket keepers, then 4 batsmen will come. So select 4 batsmen out of 7 batsmen. And in this case, select 6 bowlers out of 6 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers out of 2 wicket keepers. Then 3 batsmen will come. Then number of ways. Seven C5 into 6C4 into 2C2. In this case, first one, select 5 batsmen out of 7 batsmen and 4 bowlers out of 6 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers out of 2 wicket keepers can be done 7C5 into 6C4 into 2C2 ways. And second type is select 4 batsmen out of 7 batsmen and 5 bowlers out of 6 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers out of 2 wicket keepers can be done 7C4 into 6C5 into 2C2 ways. And select third one. Select 3 batsmen out of 7 batsmen, 6 bowlers out of 6 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers out of 2 wicket keepers can be done 7C3 into 6C6 into 2C2 ways. Therefore, total number of ways. Total number of ways. That is, adding all these, we can get 7C5 into 6C4 into 2C2 plus 7C4 into 6C5 into 2C2 plus 7C3 into 6C6 into 2C2. That is, value of 7C5 is same as 7C2. That is 7 into 6 by 2, 21. Value of 6C4 is same as 6C2. That is 6 into 5 by 2. That value is 15. And value of 2C2 is 1 plus value of 7C4 is same as 7C3. That is 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. That is 35 plus value of 6C5 is 6 into 7C4 into 6C5 is 6 into 2C2 is 1 and value of 7C3 again it is 35 and 6C6 1, 2C2 is 1. Then multiply this 21 into 15 we will get it is 315 plus 35 into 6 that is 210 plus 35. By adding all these we can get it is 560. So first we have to fill the given condition. That is, here given condition for at least 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. At least 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. First fill this. At least 4 bowlers means 4 or 5 or 6. And 2 wicket keepers always here. 2, 2, 2. Now come to the batsmen. By adding this, first case 4 plus 2, 6. Then to get 11 members, 5 batsmen we want. So select 5 batsmen here. Similarly, in these cases also we follow like this. Therefore, number of ways. Select 5 batsmen out of 7 batsmen in 7C5 ways and into 4 bowlers out of 6 bowlers, 6C4 ways, and 2 wicket keepers out of 2 wicket keepers, 2C2. That is 7C5 into 6C4 into 2C2. Similarly, in these cases also we can do like this. 7C4 into 6C5 into 2C2. And third case, 7C3 into 6C6 into 2C2. Therefore, total number of ways. By adding all this, we can get the value.